Most people treat their YouTube homepage like an afterthought. But what if I told you that you could turn that into a sales asset that works for you 24/7? I have been doing dozens of YouTube makeover over the last years, basically where I take ordinary channels by business owners who may have not known what they were doing. And I basically turn those YouTube channels into branded sales assets. And this is one of the processes that I take that service through. By the way, if you want to give your own YouTube channel a makeover, I'm actually hosting a YouTube Makeover Challenge Summit. I'm going to be going over everything from how to transform your channel, thumbnails, making more sales, and content. So, link is down below in the description. But today I'm going to be talking about how to build a YouTube homepage that sells for you 24/7. Okay, so why does the YouTube homepage even matter? Right? Your homepage, not the homepage that you see when you log in, but your actual channel page. This matters because people usually only sort of like leave YouTube's default sort of like homepage organization system there. So when YouTube does it, they usually leave like the videos, they leave the for you, or what they think people would be interested in. They leave those videos there, and maybe like two other things. But the thing is, letting YouTube pick the videos that's on your channel is giving a lot of your actual like sales potential away, because your best videos are tucked in the back. And so this can literally become the difference between someone like scrolling away and someone becoming a client. And I said this in a different video, but you kind of have to sort of think of it like Instagram. When people go to Instagram, their highlight covers, their carousel posts, all that other stuff, it's all branded. It looks almost perfect. And then when people switch over to YouTube, they kind of just throw all of that out the window when they're just like, I'm going to throw a video up. So first thing is the banner. This is usually the first thing that people see, and it should instantly communicate. I mean, bonus points if you want to put also sort of like how many times they can expect a video, so like once a week or weekly or monthly, whatever your cadence is. But what should really be on there is either who you help or how you help, so they can instantly know that they're in the right place. You can also add a call to action on that banner as well. So that call to action could be book a call, download my book, visit my website. Anything is better than nothing. Next thing is the about section. Most people skip this part. And again, losing clients, losing money, because people actually do check this part out. And also, you're losing like traffic to your channel, because this part of your channel is actually has a lot of SEO in it, and people can find your channel based on the words that's in your bio. So again, the bio should reinforce who you are, what you do. So that should be like the first 1 or 2 sentences. Then below that, what I like to do is add a bio. And what this bio does is, it talks a little bit about your experience, who you are, and goes a little bit more into that. You can make this bio as long as you want, because again, it's searchable. So when people search up, so let's say you're like a mortgage guy and you have your bio and you say 25 years of being a mortgage advisor in Pennsylvania, that part of you being a mortgage advisor in Pennsylvania is searchable. So when people search that up, your channel might pop up for those keywords. So yeah, this area I believe is like 5,000 characters. So you can literally make it as long as you want. If you need it to be longer, put it in AI and tell them to make it long-winded just so you can get more SEO points for that. And then last thing is call to actions and links. So don't forget to add your call to actions and your links in your bio. Now, most people actually do this wrong. They put the links in like the bio section, and then it's not clickable. You have to add the links in the link section so people can actually click on it. Okay, the next thing is to add a featured video. Now, this featured video should either be an about me video, again, reinforcing who you are and what you do, or it can be a welcome to my YouTube video or welcome to my YouTube channel video. This essentially, it does the same thing. It says who you are, what they can expect when they get here, so on and so forth. Last thing is you're going to want to add playlists, and you're going to want to format it in a way of a sales page. And here is where the magic happens. So like I said before, if you just leave it as it is, then YouTube is going to add random videos that has nothing to do with what you're doing now. I've literally seen videos up to like 8 years old on someone's like homepage when they've been recently posting videos like every week. So don't leave it up to YouTube to keep that as it is. Change it. I'm going to show you how to do this inside of the YouTube Makeover Challenge Summit. But yeah, here is where you're going to want to put your best content, and you're going to want to sort of like funnel them through your offers and through the sort of like topics that you talk about. So you want to think about who your ideal person is that you want to reach, and sort of like what the problems are that they're sort of like struggling with, and create playlists just for them that they would most likely watch. So two must-have playlists that I think you should always have on your channel is testimonials or case studies playlists. And this is so like once they finish watching all the playlists at the top, they can like see at the bottom like, oh, other people has worked with this person and they've been happy with that. Second thing is how you can work with the playlists. And this is literally like video sales letters that tell people how you can work with them or how they can work with you. But other than that, you can literally add other playlists. Like I said, these playlists should be your best content. What I like to do is when people come in from YouTube or they book a call with me, I like to ask them like, hey, which video did you watch to get here? And then I'll put that playlist on my homepage with that video in there so I can attract more people like that. So yeah, just remember, don't just use YouTube's default sections. There's a lot of like real estate that you use on YouTube to, have it work in your favor and have it turn into a sales page. Also, remove the shorts in the For You section, in the post section, unless it serves a specific purpose. So yeah, I am hosting the YouTube Makeover Challenge Summit either at the end of this month or early next month. By the time this video comes out, there should be a link down below to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.